Hi. So Vera's about to leave. She's packing. And yeah, and we're gonna go downstairs soon. Here, do you have everything?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Where is she, right? Where is she from?
There.
Where's my phone?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Okay. I'm not supposed to, like, pass it to me. Thanks.
Okay. Your towel. Make sure you have your towel.
Yeah.
And
Oh my god, I love your dog. I'm obsessed with your dog.
okay. That's it. Everything. Come on. Vera's mom is here, so we're gonna go downstairs to. Okay, bye.
Where's the dog?
Well, I'll be back.
What that?
Come on. Look, that's my dogs.
She's so cute.
Okay.
Bye, Vera. Bye, mommy. Next time you're here, we'll do something together. Okay? Like we'll go to the beach. Thank you for coming home. And don't do the baby challenge, bro.
Never forget.
The baby food challenge.
So we're walking and 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 walking. Just walking. And now we're almost elevator. And walking. And walking.
No, not me, please.
I think it's gonna be this one.
That one.
I have magic skills.
Choose.
Magic!
Oh. Does
You
it?
always do that.
Oh, because it does. Oh my god. Wait, you can see your face. So, can you like, yeah, like that.
I'm so bored. Open. Woo. I'm still magic. Come on. This way.
Oh, I think you're looking at the towel, sir.
No, she's not here yet. I don't see her yet.
Dale, Carla. No, no, estoy en Starbucks.
I'm gonna touch this. Touch. It's not wet. Whoa. I can't feel it. That's so weird. Isn't that pretty? So dance. Do ballet, what we were doing in the pool today. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go now. Remember to comment and subscribe and do whatever you do. Okay, bye.